In this video, I'm going to compare AutoDS against ZeeDrop to help you decide which tool is better for your dropshipping business. Now, I'm going to compare both platforms across several categories, including price, automation features, order fulfillment and tracking, and a bunch of other stuff. So by the end of the video, hopefully you'll know which tool is better for you based on the pros and cons. And for your convenience, I've included the links to both ZeeDrop and AutoDS in the description of this video, so you can check them out and sign up. Now first, let's start with the pricing and subscription model of AutoDS. So as you can see, AutoDS provides flexible subscription plans based on the number of listings and features required. So these plans cater to different business sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, and they include features like automated order fulfillment and advanced analytics. You can choose which platform you want your plan for, and based on that, the price is going to be different. So for example, if you decide that you want to go with Shopify and that's where you want to track all your orders and your product and inventory, then these are the prices starting from $20 a month going up to almost $50 a month, and the pricing is based on the number of items and products that you're tracking. So starting from importing 200 to track and monitor all the way up to 1,000. And then if you need more, you can choose a custom plan. For the custom plan, you would have to contact sales and get a custom quote. As you can see, these are all the features and different tools and access that you get for each plan. If you decide to pay annually, you will save money. So monthly is more expensive. You'll save 25% if you pay annually. Now, ZeeDrop offers a very simplified pricing structure with a basic free plan that you can sign up to using the link in the description. And they have a premium plan that unlocks additional features like bulk listing and higher listing limits. So the price is pretty good. As you can see, you get a 7-day trial for unlimited listing, and then after that it's just $17 a month and there's no extra charge. So you can cancel anytime through PayPal for a recurring subscription, but I mean, this is like the simplest pricing structure that I've seen for these types of softwares. Now let's talk about platform integration. So as you can see, AutoDS actually integrates with a bunch of different platforms from Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, Wix, and WooCommerce. So that makes it really versatile for users across multiple online sales channels. Now, ZeeDrop actually supports a lot more marketplaces than AutoDS. So as you can see, AutoDS has 2, 4, 6, 7, whereas ZeeDrop actually has way more than that, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24, 36, 40. So ZeeDrop is actually supporting 40 marketplaces, including all of the ones that you get access to on AutoDS. So as far as integration goes, ZeeDrop is definitely winning that battle. Now let's talk about automation features, starting with AutoDS. So AutoDS excels in automation capabilities by offering advanced automatic price adjustments, stock updates, order processing, and tracking number uploads. So that makes it really useful for scaling your operations effectively. Now, ZeeDrop also provides automation features, but they're generally less comprehensive compared to the ones that you get on AutoDS. The platform automates essential tasks like list creation and basic order management. Now let's talk about product sourcing and management, starting with AutoDS. So AutoDS allows for easy import of products from a bunch of different suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart, and it also offers powerful tools for editing and customizing product details before they go live. ZeeDrop focuses on sourcing products primarily from AliExpress, and it has an intuitive interface for importing products directly to your Shopify stores as well. So while the sourcing options are more limited, the integration with AliExpress is seamless. Now let's talk about order fulfillment and tracking, starting with AutoDS. So AutoDS offers a robust solution for order fulfillment, including features like automatic order placement and integration. It can integrate with various shipping solutions to streamline the logistics process. ZeeDrop simplifies order fulfillment through its direct integration with AliExpress, facilitating easy order placement and tracking, but it may not offer as much control or integration with other shopping providers as AutoDS does. Now let's talk about customer support and training. So AutoDS is really well regarded for its excellent customer support. They have 24/7 live chat, bunch of comprehensive tutorials. They have a responsive email support team, so you can actually drop an email, you can just fill out this form and they'll get back to you usually within 24 hours. The platform also has a very strong community and active forums and social media groups as well. Now ZeeDrop provides basic customer support through email, and they have a help center that answers most of your popular questions that you could have. But because the platform is relatively new, the community and support network are still developing. So it's definitely not nearly on the same level as AutoDS when it comes to customer support and training. Now let's talk about analytics and reporting tools. So AutoDS provides detailed analytics and custom reporting capabilities. These are really useful for tracking your business performance, analyzing sales trends, and just making informed decisions about what products you want to sell, which ones you want to, sell more of, which ones you might want to come back on, stuff like that. Now let's talk about analytics and reporting tools, starting with AutoDS. So AutoDS provides detailed analytics and custom reporting capabilities. These are really important for tracking your business performance, analyzing sales trends, and just making overall informed decisions. ZeeDrop also offers basic analytics that are sufficient for new dropshippers, and that can help you monitor sales and performance, but it doesn't have the depth and the customization options that you would get with AutoDS. If we talk about the user interface and ease of use, AutoDS has a modern, user-friendly interface that makes it really easy to navigate and manage dropshipping operations, so it's suitable for both beginners and experienced users, whereas ZeeDrop features a streamlined interface. It's specifically designed for Shopify integration, and it is user-friendly, but not quite as much as AutoDS in my opinion, and it is tailored more towards users who prefer a single platform instead of something like AutoDS, which is useful no matter which platform you want to work with. In terms of scalability, AutoDS is designed to scale with your business, and it can handle a large volume of products and orders, which makes it really good for dropshippers that want to expand quickly. Now ZeeDrop, on the other hand, is effective for small and medium-sized businesses, but it doesn't offer the same level of scalability as someone who really has big ambitions for their dropshipping business. So if you want to scale to the moon, then AutoDS is probably better for you. Now let's talk about the reviews and the community feedback. So what do customers of AutoDS and ZeeDrop have to say about them? So let's take a look at AutoDS's Trustpilot score. They have over 7,600 reviews with an average of 4.8, and it is a verified company. So this is an excellent rating with a large number of reviews so that you can actually trust this. As you can see, the vast majority of reviews are 5 stars, with some of them being 4 stars and very few being less than that, with lots of new reviews as early as 8 hours ago being posted. So people clearly really like AutoDS. One thing users of AutoDS really like are the continuous updates and the enhancements to the platform, because AutoDS is a big company and they have the budget to do that. If we compare this to ZeeDrop, you can see that ZeeDrop only has 8 reviews with an average of 2.4. They're not even verified on Trustpilot, and most of their reviews are 1 stars. So you can make of that what you will, but clearly AutoDS is doing a lot better in the reviews department. So overall, AutoDS is a superior choice for dropshippers who want a comprehensive and scalable platform that supports multiple sales channels and also has really advanced automation and analytics tools. ZeeDrop is a potential decent option for people that are specifically focused on Shopify, and if you're looking for a simple, streamlined tool to start your business, if you don't expect this business to blow up and become really big and you want to keep costs lower, then in that case ZeeDrop might be better for you. But each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, and you can decide based on your specific goals. So I've included the links to both AutoDS and ZeeDrop in the description and pinned comment of this video, so be sure to check them out. And if you have any questions or concerns, then drop them in the comment section and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.